Welcome to Out of the Norm AI, your gateway to the world of artificial intelligence. My name is Norm, and I'm a seasoned technologist with nearly 2 decades of working in corporate America. I have spent the past few years helping hundreds of students learn AI and data analytics at various universities. Now, I'm opening my classroom to you. It is my privilege to be your guide. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned pro, I'm committed to providing valuable insights and real world examples that will expand your knowledge and skills. From the fundamentals of machine learning and deep learning to cutting edge AI applications like the ones used to generate this video. We're going to explore it all. So expect in depth tutorials, insightful case studies, and discussions on the latest trends and developments in the field. Come and join me harness the power of AI for personal and professional growth. Don't miss out on our weekly uploads. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to enhance your AI skills. And don't forget to always live your life out of the norm.